Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Retiready account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Retiready Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your email and your password. So go ahead and enter your email. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you haven't activated your Retiready account, you can activate your account by clicking on this button. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the sign in button. And once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.